Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I share free updates on how to earn in USDT and make massive income for yourself. You can see my dashboard, my today's earnings. I have 2 USDT, so we'll be having a live withdrawal that I'll be showing you how I earn this money so that you start earning for yourself. So this is very simple and easy. Quickly, let's move to the website. So this is the website we'll be working with. So what we just have to do quickly is to click on quantify to claim the money we have. You can see in my dashboard today's earnings is 0, total revenue is 0, so we'll be making a live withdrawal. So quickly, what we have to do is just to click on start quantify. When you click on start quantify, you'll be able, you see start quantify, this is my money, that's today's earnings. You can see deposit into the basic wallet. So quickly you can see my earnings have reflected in my dashboard. So this website, they have different packages you can unlock and start, and this is my current level. So they'll have from VIP 1 to VIP 9. All you just have to do is click on to unlock and you start earning. The higher VIP you join, the higher money you make. So let's move to withdrawal. We click on withdrawal. It takes us to this interface. You see how much I have in my dashboard there. So we need to fetch our wallet. This is my wallet. I have 6 USDT. So this is a live withdrawal. So quickly we need to copy my address. Copy my address to be able to paste it and withdraw. You see my address is copied. So we'll move back to the website. So I have to impute how much I want to withdraw from this website, or how much I will be withdrawing from this website. So once I'm done, I will impute the withdrawal address that I copied. I will just paste it. So this is within 2 minutes you are done and your money reflects immediately into your wallet. So I have input and my security code, so confirm. Immediately withdraw success. So what we just have to do, you see I have 0, the money have reflected back to my trust wallet. So this is my trust wallet. You can see I have now 8 USDT because I withdrew 2 USDT. For you to start making money for yourself, what you just have to do is click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, you can recharge with any USDT of your choice and you start earning. And you can earn massively in this platform by inviting your friends. Once you send friend requests, and once they complete their registration, you are getting a commission. So all you just have to do is copy your invite link. Once you copy your invite link, make sure they impute your invite code. You are earning commissions, and this is the easiest way again to make money in this platform. So why don't you just invite your friends, let them join you, and you start making massive income in this platform. So you can see my dashboard, my today's earnings. I have made 2 USDT for myself. So all you just have to do is just copy the link and join this platform and start making money. So this is at the levels of your invitation. Once you are inviting your friends, you have from level 1 to level 3 for you to earn a different commissions. It's nice having your channel again. Please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, click on the link and register to start earning massive income for yourself. See you next time. Bye.